Hi, I'm Benjamin Kepner, CEO of Global Social Media Marketing, and welcome to our review video about GoHighLevel. Another major feature is the Builder section in HighLevel. This is one of the areas where the platform has expanded significantly over the years. Today, you can create sales funnels, forms, surveys, full websites, online stores, blogs, webinars, and many more in HighLevel. One thing I really appreciate is that GoHighLevel includes pre-made templates for almost anything you can think of. Whether you're creating a form, survey, landing page, sales funnel, or website to help you get started faster, this can save you tremendous amounts of time compared to building everything from scratch. Earlier, we used a premium WP Forms plugin for our WordPress website. It worked well, but it added another recurring subscription. After moving to HighLevel, we rebuilt all our forms inside the platform and discontinued WP Forms entirely. Now, we either embed these forms into our WordPress website, or we can use them directly inside HighLevel sales funnels. Apart from forms and surveys, you can also build an entire website using HighLevel. Personally, we're not using the website builder because we already have an established WordPress website, but we use HighLevel Sales Funnel Builder a lot. The best thing about using HighLevel is that you can create unlimited sales funnels unlike other marketing tools. HighLevel comes with a built-in drag and drop builder to easily create sales funnel pages. You can either host your funnel page on HighLevel or use lead connector plugins to embed funnel pages on your WordPress website. Also, we can integrate the tracking codes into sales funnels for measuring results at every stage. And the biggest advantage is convenience. Everything is connected: your forms, your CRM, your automations, your lead tracking, your sales funnel. It's all part of one ecosystem. That means less time connecting software and less time wondering why one integration suddenly stopped working after an update. If you ever spent an afternoon troubleshooting software connections, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If your business relies on consultations, demos, discovery calls, or sales meetings, appointment booking can be extremely useful. And this is actually something we've implemented inside our agency. We offer free consultation calls to prospective clients who are interested in our services. Before automating the process, there was a lot of back and forth communication trying to find time that worked for everybody. You know how it goes. Are you available Tuesday? No, how about Wednesday? Not Wednesday. What about Thursday? To get rid of that situation, we automated the appointment booking process with HighLevel and Calendly. We have a dedicated HighLevel sales funnel that is integrated with our Calendly account and HighLevel automation. The system can send confirmation emails, text reminders, follow-up messages, calendar invitations, and automated reminders. Simple feature, big impact. One feature that often gets overlooked is GoHighLevel's ability to create and sell online courses. If you're a coach, consultant, educator, agency owner, or creator looking to monetize your expertise, this can be a valuable addition. You can structure courses into modules, drip lessons over time, and control access based on purchases or membership levels. HighLevel also lets you sell these courses directly by integrating Stripe for payments and building checkout pages within the platform. It also has coupon features for offering discounts to your students. We previously used SamCart to host and sell our courses. It worked well, but once GoHighLevel introduced its course membership features, we tested the switch. After evaluating both, we moved our courses into HighLevel and canceled SamCart, which was costing us around $349 per year. If we can remove a tool without losing core functionality, that's an easy decision. To be transparent, the course builder itself is relatively simple. It doesn't have the same depth of learning management system platforms like Kajabi, Canvas, Brightspace, Thinkific, or Teachable. These solutions offer advanced learning paths, student engagement, or customization features. If you're building a full-scale online education business with complex course structures, a dedicated LMS may still be a better fit. But for most businesses, that's just the need to host courses, deliver content, and sell digital products. HighLevel, it handles it well. Another advantage is that the platform continues to improve. And maybe in the future, HighLevel can add more advanced functionalities to power their course creation and selling features. But what makes it especially powerful right now is how tightly it connects courses with the rest of the HighLevel ecosystem. A single user flow can include opt-ins through funnels, course purchases, automated onboarding emails, instant membership access, and ongoing nurture campaigns, all without needing separate tools. Previously, we were paying for separate tools to build and run email campaigns. With GoHighLevel, all of that is built directly into the platform. So we no longer use a separate email marketing tool. You can create and manage full email campaigns inside of the dashboard. There is a drag and drop builder to easily build your email campaigns. You can mark your email campaigns as a template or reusing. There are features for scheduling, choosing a specific audience, and setting up UTM tracking for your email campaigns. But what makes it more powerful is that it's not limited to email. You can also run campaigns across SMS, Facebook Messenger, voicemail drops, and even automated phone calls, all from one system. This becomes especially useful for follow-ups. For example, if someone doesn't respond to an email, you can automatically trigger an SMS or another channel to continue the conversation. Everything is managed through the same workflows, which keeps communication consistent and automated without switching between tools. HighLevel also integrates with Twilio, allowing you to handle calls and SMS directly through the platform if needed. From our experience, this not only reduced costs, but also simplified how we manage multi-channel marketing and follow-ups across different campaigns and clients. If you're interested in learning more about signing up for HighLevel, click on our affiliate link below to sign up today for a 30-day free trial.